Are you tired of your food sticking to your pan? We've all been there, haven't we? The struggle of scrubbing away at stubborn residue, the frustration when a perfectly good meal gets ruined. But here's the good news. The right non-stick frying pan can make all the difference. Today, we're going to compare the top 3 non-stick frying pans on the market. We'll help you decide which one might just be your kitchen's new best friend. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of non-stick frying pans. First up, we have the T-fal E93808 Professional Non-Stick Fry Pan. This pan is truly a game-changer in your kitchen, boasting unique features like the thermospot heat indicator. This handy tool lets you know when your pan is perfectly preheated and ready to cook. Crafted from heavy-gauge aluminum, the T-fal E93808 ensures quick, even heat distribution, eliminating those pesky hot spots that can ruin a good meal. Best of all, it's constructed without PFOA, lead, or cadmium, making it a safe choice for your family. It's moderately priced and has received raving reviews for its durability and performance. Users love its longevity and consistent heat distribution. The T-fal E93808 is a crowd favorite for a reason. Next, let's look at the Ozeri 10" Stone Earth Frying Pan. A standout feature of this pan is its stone-derived coating from Germany, giving it a unique, eco-friendly edge. This coating ensures an exceptional non-stick performance without the use of harmful chemicals. The Ozeri pan also boasts a heat-resistant, silicone-coated handle, designed for a comfortable and secure grip. When it comes to price, this pan offers great value, mixing top-tier features with affordability. Users rave about the Ozeri pan, particularly praising its non-toxic materials and superior non-stick performance. It's a hit among those who prioritize health and sustainability. The Ozeri 10" Stone Earth Frying Pan is a hit for those mindful of their health and the environment. Finally, we come to the All-Clad E785S264HA1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan. This isn't your average pan. Its hard anodized aluminum construction guarantees fast, even heating every time you cook. No hot spots, no unevenly cooked meals. The stainless steel bonded base? It's anti-warp, ensuring the pan stays perfectly flat, regardless of the heat. And let's not forget the PFOA-free scratch-resistant non-stick coating, a feature that ensures easy food release and cleanup. Yes, it comes with a higher price tag, but the rave reviews say it all. Users love its professional-level performance and durability. This pan isn't just for cooking. It's for creating culinary masterpieces, meal after meal. The All-Clad E785S264HA1 is a premium choice that doesn't disappoint. There you have it, the top 3 non-stick frying pans in the market. From T-fal's professional-grade performance to Ozeri's stone-derived coating and All-Clad's hard anodized durability, each offers unique features, competitive prices, and rave reviews. Choose the one that best fits your cooking needs and never worry about food sticking to your pan again.